then that I got up to leave. She said, don't forget. Everybody just gives something back, something they get. I stood there and hummed. I tapped on the drum. I asked her, how come? She buttoned her boots and straightened her suit, and she said, don't be cute. So I forced my hands in my pockets and felt with my thumb, and Galilee handed her my very last piece of gum. She threw me outside. I stood in the dark while everyone walked. But when finding out I'd forgotten my shirt, I went back and knocked. Waiting in the hallway, she went to get it, and I tried to make sense out of that picture of you in your wheelchair, leaned up against her Jamaican rum. And when she did come, I asked her for some. She said, no dear, I say your words are not clear. You gotta spit out that gum. She screamed till her face got so red that she fell on the floor. I covered her up and then went and looked through a drawer. And when I was through, I filled up my shoe and I brought it to you. You took me in, you loved me then, you did not waste time. And I never took much, I never asked for your crutch, so don't ask for mine.